This is probably my most requested video on this channel. So many students have reached out to me asking if I can make a video on how exactly to find the answers for the IELTS reading match headings questions you may see on your exam. So step one, what you need to do is you need to look at these headings and you need to try to circle any particular keywords that stand out to you that may help you locate these words or their synonym language in the passage. So once you circle the words in the headings section of the question bank, then you need to move to step two. Step two is that you need to go straight to the passage, and once you are in the passage, you need to highlight any keywords that relate to the headings that you circled in the question bank. Step three is that if the headings in the question bank have any names that stand out or nouns that stand out, then I recommend you to try to locate these answers first because they are the easiest to locate. Step four is to keep synonym language in mind when you are skimming the passage for the correct answer. So once again, guys, you do not have any time to read the passage word for word. That's why I am providing you with techniques and tips on how exactly to locate the answers in the IELTS reading section. And step five is do not second guess your answer if you found the synonym word matches the words in the heading. So guys, one last bonus tip I will give you is that you should write all your answers in capital letters on the IELTS reading answer sheet. The reason why I recommend this is because if the examiner cannot read your text, he will just give you an X. So make sure you write all your answers in the IELTS reading section in capital letters, and make sure you follow the instructions. So if the instructions say to write no more than 2 words, then make sure you follow those instructions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I put out content on this channel every Wednesday and Friday to help you prepare for your IELTS exam. And guys, speaking of not second guessing your answer, make sure you check out this video up above of how to quickly locate the answers in the IELTS reading section.